with Slasher. And Slasher's got a little treat for us today. You want to talk about what you're going to cook today?
What's up? We're going to make some cheap frozen pizza. That's what I call it. But,
How cheap?
no cheaper than you buy regular frozen pizza.
A couple of bucks a box or something.
Yeah, it's good. You know, I mean, but we're going to dress it up. Yeah, we're gonna make it what it isn't.
All right.
So we're gonna try that, and we'll see what happens. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start chopping this onion, and we'll take it from there.
All right.
Yeah.
Chop away. Slash.
Yeah.
Slash away.
That's it. So,
See, there's a slashing technique.
yeah, we got this all cut. Pieces, tighten it up a little. Bend down here, and I'm gonna get you your favorite tuna fish.
What kind of tuna is it?
Albacore.
Abercrombie.
Albacore, not Abercrombie. That's a separate place, but
Abercrombie and fish.
yeah, albacore.
Albuquerque.
And we're gonna use four cans today.
Is it?
Yep.
It's dolphin friendly tuna?
I guess. You know, I'm up for anything. Why not? That's good. We're just breaking this all up, and we're gonna mix it. The onion and the celery. I mean, who doesn't put celery in their tuna fish, right?
You have to.
Yeah, we got some mayo.
If you don't have it,
Got some mayo here.
something you can just pull out of your pantry and make.
That's it. This is something on a rainy day, maybe. Who knows?
You got kids, these are.
You don't feel like
This is perfect. Trying to figure out how to put stuff together and make kids happy.
this all mixed up.
So these pizza bases, are they frozen now?
Yes,
How
they
do you
are.
treat them? Do you have to defrost them or
That's
what?
what they are. No, you do not have to defrost.
You just take them out of the packet and
That's
stick it
right.
straight on.
That's right. That's what we're gonna do.
All right.
This is something. The only way you're gonna find out is you have to try it.
Who dares wins.
That's it. This came from a
An old Italian
a
book.
dream in the darkness.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
I thought it was an authentic Italian.
You put a little bit of our SPG in there, that's for sure. Yeah.
In it goes. Okay.
Okay, perfect. These are rumbling right now. There we go.
Look at that. That was delicious.
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah. Okay.
That's cedar.
Frozen pizza.
Oh, that's
This is pretty much it.
all right. That's grown in a laboratory, is it?
Yeah. These are like made into.
Bricks.
These are made in separate slices,
Oh,
so you could just snap them off like that.
Look at that. Save all that
Just
pesky
like that.
cutting.
Yeah.
Troublesome.
Good stuff.
No fighting over the biggest piece.
Yeah. There we go.
Solves a lot of problems.
We got a lot of tomatoes. Alright, perfect. Got these right here.
This is definitely cheap. Looks
Somehow I thought these slices were a lot bigger, but I guess not. But that's okay. Tomatoes won't go to waste. We gotta make a salad later anyway. Isn't that right?
Yeah, we got the salad right there.
Yeah,
There's a salad right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, veggies.
Yeah. the Vegematics.
So did you discover these things, Joe? Is it something you've been doing for a long time?
Well, sometimes things just come to you, you know, like whether you're sleeping or, you know, you're just thinking of different types of food and all of a sudden ideas come to your head. So,
Yeah.
that's about it.
We could do a Ritz cracker pizza.
Yeah.
Just like one slice of tomato,
There's a couple
piece of cheese.
slices left. A couple slices left. All right. Okay.
So
Yeah.
far, so good.
That's it. We got some dead soldiers over
What
here.
about cheese? You got cheese?
Not yet. Not
All
yet. Nope. Now we're gonna put our jalapenos. This is really something you gotta try. Yeah.
Or jalapenos. Is the-
Yeah.
Jalapenos. Yeah.
This is something that
These are the pickled ones too in the jars.
It will be different.
Eat them like snacks.
I mean, frozen cheese pizza.
Most people have in their
Yeah.
freezer probably everything you have right here in terms of the pizza, but also all the other ingredients.
All right, I'll get right back.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're covering the jalapenos that are on top of the tomatoes. Yep.
And the cheese goes on top of the tuna.
Yeah.
The tuna cheese melt. It's definitely going to upset the Italians. Pipped at the post.
The slappers are
Another classic
They're going to
Italian
claim they
pizza.
invented this, right? And then
Yeah.
slap.
Yeah. Looks like you need more cheese. Need more cheese, Joe?
I'm probably gonna.
Run out of
And we got some red pepper flakes.
Yep.
Okay.
Good. So definitely burn the skin off your mouth. Precision
All right.
this day. Holy. This is the longest scene ever.
ASMR.
Look at that.
Yeah, because we lost center of gravity already. Right.
This is going into the wood fire.
Lost some heat. We get now 425.
See how these go? Few more minutes.
I don't know. I'm gonna see what it looks like. Ready?
Wow. So much for pizza in a packet. Sticky.
Little cheese bits.
throw that paper towel away, Joe.
Grab my own delay, baby. Show you who's boss. Got my steed in my hair, baby. I don't care. Gonna
Yeah. Oh, this looks great, man.
Yeah. I'm ready.
That's the big one. You get that? There goes
Get all
the
layers in there. Yeah.
There he goes.
Wow. Totally not
Good lord.
I wasn't expecting that.
So,
Took a combination of
Chicago's
stuff in it.
thickness.
Oh.
10 out of 10.
Wow. I think my kids would eat this. Saying a lot, because
You can sell us a new name.
yeah, yeah, they would be.
So,
You
excellent.
like it?
I love it, yeah. Good, good, good. Nice amount of heat as well. Heat it up. Yeah, good.
Got plenty of heat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Comes in washer every once in a while.
So the next time we're looking for a pizza recipe for you,
It's your pit.
check out Pizza Pit
BBQ
Boys.
Pit Boys.
.it.
For life, baby.
Exactly.
Oh, well. Awesome. Thank you.